Greetings from Torchlight Studios. Name's Mark Nelson. I live in the Frederick, Maryland area, and I'm down in Poolesville, Maryland. I came down to record drum sounds today. I've had the pleasure of doing session work here on more than one occasion. And I was talking with Jeff, the head man in charge of this camp, and I said, why don't we record drum samples and, wait for it, we'll shoot some videos so the rest of the world can see how good drums sound recorded here. Jeff was all about it. So cameras are up, microphones are up. We're going to talk about sound checks. Just as important in the live arena as it is in the studio. How to do it. I'm also a sound engineer as well as a drummer. I have met many people that go through different ways of doing it. I'm going to give you my thoughts on what the best way to accomplish that is. Some bands I've worked for play the kick drum. Okay, you're doing what the engineer has asked of you. However, I prefer the slow approach. Slow and steady wins the race. And in this case, go a little slower in the process, because when you do that, your sound engineer or your recording engineer is going to have the opportunity to appropriately tune up and dial in your drum set. So I'm just going to do 4 hits on each drum here to give you an idea on what to expect. And here we go. So you'll be in the club. I'll do this for the club guys. You'll have that club guy going, kick! Snare! Hi-hat. First rack tom. Second tom. Third rack tom. First floor tom. Second floor tom. Overheads. Oh yeah, piccolo, sorry. Okay, go around the kit. in theory, you're done. In the recording atmosphere, we've certainly gotten more particular with microphones, as in independently miking the ride, hi-hat, piccolo, etc., etc. The kick drum has 3 microphones on it. Internally, I have an Audio Technica AE2500 dual element kick mic. And then to further make the kick mic happy in the world of recording, we have a FET 47 on the floor. Biggest thoughts, biggest suggestions, make sure your drums are tuned, especially if you're going to record. New to fairly fresh heads are always best. Make sure they're tuned right. It makes the engineer's job easier. A friend has a shirt that says it's a microphone, not a miracle. So tune your drums. These are Sennheiser 421s on all the toms. If they sounded bad, the 421s are going to make them sound bad. So please tune your drums. Now I'm going to play it again, and you're going to hear what these drums sound like, properly EQ'd, gated, compressed. It all depends on what you're doing and what your goal is. So, that said, and for this video, that's it. We've got 2 more songs that we're going to record, which will be on separate videos, and we hope you'll check them out. Thanks for watching. Love, peace, and hair grease.